We're now going to move on to converting between different measurement systems. And what I mean by that is switching between imperial and metric, going both ways. I would ask that you have your data page, your formula sheet in front of you, because as you work through this unit, there are various conversion factors that you need that are on that page, in addition to what is in this box right here. Just so you know, these conversions, you are not required to remember them, whether it be a quiz or an exam. These conversion values will be given to you. And I'm going to try to make your life much easier here. Whenever possible, please use the cross multiply and divide, know versus want system. I'll demonstrate that using example 1. So I'm going to set up my equal sign with my two fractions. This is my know side. This is my want side. And what I'm looking for right now is I know I have to take 24 feet into meters. Well, where is the conversion or the information that I know? And that, of course, is going to come from this table right here. And the units I'm concerned with are feet and meters, which of course would be right here. So I know that 1 foot is approximately the same as 0.305 meters. And what that's going to allow you to do is that's the conversion factor. That's what you have to know. On the want side, you're thinking to yourself now, okay, well, what do I do? Keep everything the same. So if feet is on the top on the left, it should be on the top on the right, and that will be your 24 feet. And as per usual, we're going to put our unknown value, x, on the bottom, or x meters. Remember, as we've done now many times, it does not matter how you go about this procedure. So I'll go this way. So that's 1 times x, which is 1x. Then you multiply these two together. You're going to get a value of 7.32. And remember, meters was on the bottom, so meters is on the bottom here. So your answer is 7.32 meters. In other words, 24 feet is equal to 7.32 meters. They do talk in here about approximations. I'm not too worried about that. I'll try to do one more here. Oh, pardon me, that's not what I meant to do. If you keep going through this system, you will see that this can be used over and over and over and over. I'll try to do one more for you here. That's even not on the sheet, but let's just pretend that you had, I don't know. Let's say you wanted to take 3.5 inches and put that into centimeters. I'm just doing a bonus one here. I would set up the structure exactly the same, my know versus want. So I'm looking at something with inches and centimeters. So I know that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. That's my know side. For what I want, inches top here, so top here, 3.5 inches over x centimeters, and you would cross multiply and divide. I'm just trying to show you that the procedure never changes. It is repetitive. It is over and over and over. So there you go. That's another example for you. There are some, bumps in the road per se that might come along. If you look at example 2, it says a person's height is 5 feet 8 inches, and they want that into centimeters. The one problem there is if someone is 5 feet 8 inches and they want that into centimeters, the problem that you have here is this, everyone, is actually a combination of two things. We have feet and we have inches, which is going to make your life very difficult. A piece of advice would be, can you take this and put it into one type of unit? And of course we can, because we know, and it's going to be on your data sheet, etc., that every foot is 12 inches. So right away, 5 feet, if you convert that straight over into inches, that's going to be 60 inches. So essentially, this is 60 inches. And we still had, remember that 8 inches left over? So now you have a total of, this person is 68 inches tall. And now, of course, you can go about your conversion. So I'll set that up right here. So we want this, we are going from inches into centimeters. So we'll find that now on our page, okay? And we know that 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. We're going to keep everything the same. This person is 68 inches in height. That'll put our X right there in centimeters. Do your cross multiply and divide. And as you can see from the example, you're going to get an X value of 173 centimeters. I will give you some practice with this, but I believe that this lesson will be, I believe you'll be successfully able to understand this because we're simply using given conversion factors and a procedure we've used numerous times throughout this course. Okay, best of luck with the practice.